If you have a swimming pool dehumidifier and it's not drying as it used to, or you have a condensation on the walls and your humidity is higher than it used to, then you might consider purchasing a new dehumidifier. If your original product lifespan is already reached 10 or 15 years, there is no question but to replace it. Uh, Also from a perspective of the eco-friendly refrigerant usage and power consumption, if you're looking at your machine is 5 years old, then we would recommend at least an inspection if the repair makes sense. And how you determine that actually dehumidifier is not healthy. Again, it's the higher humidity that it used to be, and second, all sorts of signs, for example, such as noise level, rumbling, vibrations, etc., which indicate you that the machine isn't really happy.